Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install and set up Essentials for Spigot 1.9. First, let's go over to the Plugins tab and search for Essentials. And just make sure it's the latest version. The CB 1.8.x should work just fine for 1.9. Click Install. As soon as it's installed, you'll see all the plugins here. Go back to your server and restart. As soon as the server's been restarted, let's go back to the File Manager, Plugins folder, and as you can see, most of the Essentials plugins will have the configs in the Essentials folder itself. The GeoIP and XMPP usually have its own, but you don't need to worry about these unless you're going to use them. Today we're just going to focus on the normal Essentials plugins. Now from the Essentials folder, let's open the config YML, and here you'll find the configuration files for all of the Essentials plugins. To start off with, let's go down to make sure that we have some sort of permissions set up. If you don't have a permissions plugin, you can use the player commands here. With these player commands, you can actually select which commands you want to allow regular players to use if you do not have a permissions plugin. If you do have a permissions plugin, you can completely ignore this. However, you can go down and any of these commands that you wish that players do not use, such as let's say the /me command, you can just completely remove it and save. Now let's go back to the config YML and let's go over some kits real quick. Here are the basic configurations for kits. You'll be able to name them, set the delay. This is how many seconds the user will have to wait before they can use the kit again. And the items is what will be in the kit. The item number, and then how many of that item. Now let's say you want to add another item. You will just have to, just like this, and then find the ID for the item you would like to use. In this case, we will let them get 64 smooth stone, so the ID is 1, and I will give them 64 of them. You can click save once you're done with these tools. As soon as you save it, let's go back and restart the server once more. As soon as the server's been restarted, let's open up Minecraft and connect to the server to test out the kit. So we will use a /kit, and it shows which kits you can use. Do /kit tools, and here we got the tools we wanted, as well as the 64 stone I added. Now let's try to use the kit tools again, and you'll see I still have another 4 seconds on cooldown. Now we're going to go back to the configuration file for Essentials, and this time we're going to go over the signs. If you scroll down past the kits, you'll see enabled signs. Here all of the signs are disabled. It is disabled because it has the pound symbol before it. So if you'd like to enable the sign, delete that symbol on whichever ones you like to use. So in this case, I'd like to keep warp, kit, mail, the heal, repair, and I will keep color, balance, buy, sell, trade, and free. As soon as you've enabled which ones you'd like, click save. And now let's go back and restart the server. Now for how to use the signs, there's a great tutorial on the Essentials website. Link can be found here. And this will show you how to use each sign. Now real quick, we're going to go over the Essentials economy. From the Essentials economy settings, you can set the starting balance for each user. In this case, I'm going to set it as 1,000 and let people start with $1,000. You can also set up the cost to use for certain commands if you'd like to. Here are some examples. So I will use the kit command. So now the cost for that will be, let's just do 500 for that, for tools. Then of course, as you finish changing whatever you need to change, click save and restart the server. As soon as the server's been restarted, we're going to go back to the server once again. Log in. Now we're going to try the kit command, which comes up with tools, and it shows that it costs 500. You can check your money. Right now I have 1,000. So let's use the kit tools. I got it, and I now only have $500. I can't do it again until 10 seconds is up still, because the cooldown is still in effect. So let's try it one more time. I got it a second time, and I should have no money. Now that I have no money, let's try using it one last time. I do not have sufficient funds, and they will not be able to use the kit command. Alright, so that is the basics of setting up and installing essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed.